Namaste everyone and welcome to my channel please. So finally I have came after a really long time. Not long time, I have uploaded a video on Sunday and not Tuesday, and now it's on Friday. So let's just begin with today's video. So today it's a review video. Obviously you can guess it through the title, and I just really wanted to do this review from a really long time, and it is one of the best video that I have got, and it's none other than reviewing the new, totally new in the market. It's Patanjali Saundhya Cocoa Butter with fruit essential, smoothens the rough and dry skin. Yes guys, so here is the product. If you have seen my Patanjali haul, then you will know about these that I have bought at that time when I have done the Patanjali haul. So if you have not yet watched that video, link over here, or you can go in the description box and get the link to watch all the things that I have bought from the Patanjali store. And it's been a month that I have been using this, and it's a cocoa body butter. So the story about this is that when I have went to the Patanjali store to have some snoop around and to buy some stuffs from there, and I have seen in one of the shelf that it is lying there, only one product is left on their shelf and it is just lying on there, and I was like so much excited. Not I was excited, I was really shocked to see that Patanjali has came out with a body butter. I was really wanted to try out the Body Shop body butter, but you know guys, that's really costly, and I just don't want it to go really high on it. I'm really a makeup addict girl, and I really love to buy things all about beauty and makeup things, but sometimes if it's really too much high on the budget for a single thing, I just really say no please. So I really wanted to try that out, but when I've seen this, I was so much I was crying out of joy that I needed immediately to buy it. But thank God, only one left. At least one was there for me. And also it says that it's a cocoa body butter. Why I will stop there. If you have seen most of my beauty videos about skincare and beauty videos, then you will know that all thing about cocoa thing, I'm really excited to give that a try, because cocoa smell are really fresh. So cocoa smell really fresh, and for me it's really amazing. So I've gone for this, and it says smoothens the rough and dry skin. And for your information, I have really oily skin. My face is really oily from here to here. It's from forehead to chin. It's too much of oil gets created on my face, but my skin over my hand and legs are really dry and rough, and especially in winter it really starts to crack. But I know it's summer, but then also my skin is still dry on summer too if I don't take care of it and don't moisturize it. So here it is. I just want to talk about the packaging first. The packaging is really classy and really high board kind of a thing. I just really love this size first of all, and I just really love this packaging guys. If you can see this, it's almost a kind of a really big tub, and I just really love this great packaging. So, and it says in the compositions are, it says coconut is here, shea butter, cocoa butter, orange, avocado, almond and cucumber. So all are a kind of herbal things, and I just really love the ingredients they have put in this body butter, and I'm it's really great. So now the price thing is, so it has cost me 4 rupees, 425 for 200 gram. So it's approximately almost 500, it's 425, and I just think that it's quite affordable on a body butter thingy. You know, the cost of every body butter that available on the beauty market and all, it's really huge, really huge, and I am. So according to that, if you compare this with that, you get a really good amount of product in really affordable price. So for the price thingy, I will say it's quite affordable according to the thing that provide you in this really huge tub, and packaging is really amazing. So let's just deep into inside and see how the things are inside. So it screws up in, and here is a cellophane tape over here, and just wrap it up here are the product. I have used it a lot, but you can't say that because I don't use it like every day, but at least I use it like once a week, and it's smell like, I will say, not like totally fully like cocoa butter, because I have already read out the components that it contains: shea butter, cocoa butter, orange, avocado, everything, all the things mixed up and give a smell of chandra meat. You know it, guys, whenever like you have a puja on your home, the Panditji always make that amazing tasty chandra meat over there, so it smells totally like that. And it give me urge to go to the mandir and have some chandra meat because I just really love chandra meat. So anyways, also let's just talk about the product. It's a body butter thingy, so it will be thick. It's almost run out of one, so it will be thick, and so here it is, guys. So it's really thick in the thing, like the product is really thick when you just take your hand on the tub and scoop it out, but when you apply on your hands, it's like give a really cooling sensation, which is like feels so amazing during this really hot summer. And I'm just really love this sensation of coolingness that the product gives me. And after applying it, let it dry. But I will say when you apply it, it don't feel so heavy and thick on your skin. As it says, it's a butter thingy. It will feel like thick on your skin, and you like, no, summer, don't use it. But no, guys, don't do that. If you have rough and dry skin, I will highly suggest for this product, especially the Patanjali one. It's only because when you apply it on your skin, it don't at all feel like a thick moisturizer on your skin. Let it give time to dry, and after a few minutes it will be dry, and you will get the amazing feeling of like smoothness on your skin. But I'm not a huge fan of this smell. As I say, I know I love chandra meat, but I will not like be happy enough to apply chandra meat on my body. So I just not a huge fan of the smell. As it says cocoa butter, I was like so excited to give it a try because of the smell, but I apply it not for the smell, only because of the quality of the product. I just really love this. Even on this hot summer, you can easily apply this on your body and have a great summer. Obviously you will sweat, but it's not feel like a really buttery kind of thing on your like body, and I just really love this. So I will buy it or not next time. Obviously, guys, if it gets over, I will definitely gonna get my hands over it. And because I really love the product, quality of this product, and how it feels on my skin, so it's really amazing. So this is the review about this Sondira cocoa butter for your body, and I will really suggest, if you get a chance to grab these, please go and grab this. I have not seen in any kind of like online websites or other stores like where Patanjali products are available. I have get this product like directly from the Patanjali store, so I can't say that it is available on all other like store or not where the Patanjali products are available, but you can get it on the Patanjali store itself. So if you are like Patanjali store is near to your home, please go and have a try to this because it's really amazing. I know you will not regret it because only in 425 rupees it's amazing product, guys. So yeah, I love it. So I think you will love it too. So this is all for today's video. I hope that this video has helped you all to decide you should go and have a try to this or not. And if you have tried this already, then let me know in the comments down below that how was your experience. And if you wanted to give this a try, let me know too. I will really love to read your comments down below, so let me know in the comments down below. And also, guys, if you have loved this video and enjoy watching my video, don't forget to click the subscribe button there and be a subscriber to my channel because it will help me a lot. And also don't forget to click the bell button to get updated with my new upcoming videos. And also don't forget to give big like to my videos. I will really appreciate that. Actually, I will feel like I will be appreciated for it. So I'll see you all in the next video. Till then, you all guys stay beautiful, guys. Bye.